Hey y'all, it's your girl Sha here, back with another video. Before we jump into the video, can we acknowledge the growth? Do y'all see me here? Do you see me? Do you? Because I see it, and I am hyped. Okay, I'm so hyped because, sorry, I'm looking in the mirror. It hasn't been long, it's been 7 months, I think, since my last big chop. 7 or 8 months, and at first, you know what, I'm gonna have a whole separate video on that. How about that? Today's video is going to be on Senegalese twists, and I've done these before, or I've done the technique before with Marley hair, but now I'm going to try it with Kanekelon hair. Kanekelon. How do you say it? I'm gonna go with Kanekelon hair. And I'm really excited to try it because I'm going to a wedding on Thursday and I wanted something that was, you know, sleek, soft, regal. So I didn't want to put major heat on my hair. I was thinking about doing like a slick ponytail, but the way my sweat is set up and the way the humidity is set up out here in New York during this time, it was a no. What you're going to need for this style is some clips, rat tail comb, Shine and Jam, Beezwax, just for that extra hold, because what I've noticed in Senegalese twists, because the hair is so soft and my hair, you know, it's tight for hair. So when I am twisting, the ends sometimes pop out. You know how you don't just be doing random lip checks like as you're talking. So I wanted to use the Beezwax and combine it with the Shine and Jam to see if I can get that extra mega hold. And then for the front, E-B-I-N, I don't know how to pronounce it. I'm gonna use that in the front, just, you know, hold my edges. It says it's a 24-hour edge tamer. So let's see if that actually works, because I haven't found nothing to keep her for 24. All right, that's enough with the chatting. So when I do protective styles, I love to work in sections. It is the easiest, it's most manageable. You just get in and get out. You're able to see everything straight through. So I just separated it into 4 sections, 2 in the front and 2 in the back. So what I was saying here was you need to get pre-stretched hair because you want your ends to be tapered. You don't want a blunt bottom of your twists. Okay, so I did my twists in 2 ways. In the back, I found it hard to do the invisible root. So I did the rubber band method in the back of my head. So what I did was I took it apart and I split it in 2. And then I put the braiding hair in between the part. I'm gonna tag the video that I got it from as well. So I put the braiding hair right in between, and I put my rubber bands in oil, my aloe vera oil, just to make it easier to remove when I'm taking out the twists. And then I just place the rubber band and secure it like so. Tighten it a little bit. And then it makes it so much easier to just twist from the back, because I feel like my arms just, it wasn't working out when I tried to do the invisible root without the rubber band in the back of my head. And then you just separate your hair into the 2 sections and then you start twisting. Make sure that you are twisting and rolling your wrists, if that makes sense, to ensure that your twists are staying. And as you twist, I use beeswax to really mask my natural hair and have it blend in with the Kanekelon hair. And I use some Shine and Jam for a little shine. Then you just twist it all the way down. Alright, so now in the front, because it was easier to do this, another length check, I gotta chill. And since it was easier to do this, I did the invisible root method. So you split your hair in half again. Then you're gonna take one side and twist clockwise. And then you take the other side, flip it over, and then just start twisting down. So I have another video on this technique. I'm just using a different type of hair, but it's super easy to do in the front. In the back, I would recommend using the rubber band method. And if you want to add hair, this is how I added hair to make it hip length. So you just look at where the twists are twisting. I'm not gonna lie, this part was a little hard. It took some practice. You look at where the twists are twisting, and then you just try to figure out how to make it twist in the same direction. I know those instructions are not helpful. I honestly just had to do trial and error. And dip the ends in hot water off camera because ain't nobody got time to be getting burnt. So, sealed ends. Now, okay, so this is gonna help with frizz. Not getting it on my face. And I have a tad bit of frizz because with this style it is a little difficult. Voila, here it is, the final result. I'm gonna go ahead and go to sleep and do my edges and everything tomorrow, and you guys will see the final result.